Swami, can you explain about your Trisutra Matam, Datta Swami Trisutra Matam?
Already explained.
The entire Sara, Veda
The
Shastra,
entire
Sara.
really,
In
really
nutshell,
beautiful.
you have presented, Swami. Excellent
Ah.
way you have given that. In a just 3 sentences, entire knowledge you have put
Swami,
in.
you are not audible.
Not 3 sentences, 3 words
Three-
only.
3 words.
Three
That
words
is what,
only.
Swami. 3 words.
Because each is a compounded word.
Compounded word. Correct. Correct, Swami.
Datta
Excellent.
Parabrahma Matam.
Yes.
That is, it contains 3 words compounded. Datta, Parabrahma, Matam. 3 words are compounded.
Yes, Swami.
Matam.
Madam. Correct.
Jagadamsha, Jivatma, Matam. 3 words are compounded.
Yes.
Third, Jnana Bhakti Sahakruta. 1 word. Karma Yoga Marga. 1 word.
1 word.
Matam. Another word.
Another word. 3
But
words.
all the 3 words compounded result only in 1 word.
Yes.
Durga Prasad asked me to explain entire philosophy in 1 word only.
Oh.
It will be too brief and confusing. So I gave 3 words.
3 words.
3 words.
Excellent,
Or
Swami.
you can, if you want only 1 word, you can use that first sutram as the entire philosophy, because the goal here, there are 3 components. One is goal, and second is the person trying to reach the goal,
Yes,
and
sir.
third is the path. So among these 3, the goal is most important. That
Yes,
goal
Swami.
is told in the first sutra, Datta Parabrahma Matam.
Yes.
So that can be taken as 1 word as the name of the philosophy.
For the name of Phila. Yes, sir.
If you want only 1 word like Advaita Matam, Vishishtadvaita Matam,
Yes.
Dvaita Matam, like that, only 1 word, you can name it as Datta Parabrahma Matam.
Yes, sir.
Here Datta means not only the first energetic incarnation, but the unimaginable God given to the humanity.
Humanity. Yes.
Humanity as energetic incarnation as well as human incarnation.
Excellent.
That,
Excellent,
the
sir.
word Datta covers all types of incarnations of all religions
Yes,
in
sir.
the world. Universality is there in the word Datta. Datta is not only the name of the God Dattatreya, but also Datta means the unimaginable God given to the humanity through visible medium.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So, in that
Correct.
second meaning of Datta.
Yes.
So, that first sutra can be taken as the name of the Matam.
Yes.
Datta Parabrahma Matam.
Yes, sir.
Datta Swami Trisutra Matam.
Collarbone sound.
First sutra.
In one of the bhajans you have mentioned Veda Shastramula Saramunantayu Pindi Ichina Gnana Sagarunaku.
Jnana Sagar.
Yet exactly it resembles Swami, that 3 words.
3 words Triputi antaru.
Triputi,
These 3 are called as Triputi.
That is what, Swami.
Triputi means
Excellent.
one is goal, second is the person reaching goal, that is
Yes.
soul, and third is the path.
Path.
That is Jnayam, Jnata, Jnanam,
Gnana.
or Gamyam, Ganta, Gamanam.
Oh.
These are called 3 components of knowledge.
Excellent, sir.
So Triputi.
Yes.
Therefore, 3 words describe the entire philosophy.
Yes. Excellent, sir.
Excellent, Swami.
Very
Yes.
Really beautiful, Swami. Enjoyed very well.
Datta Swami Trisutra Matam.
Hmm.
Excellent, sir.
These 3 can be taken as sutras also.
Yes.
Datta Swami.
Hmm.
Excellently, you explained complete knowledge of entire Vedanta, essence of all Vedas. Not
In
only
brief.
all the knowledge in the world,
Yes.
entire knowledge of the universe. Explain 3 words, only 3 words.
Yes.
If anybody really understands this, entire knowledge is you kept in these 3 words only, completely.
Yes.
In the your Tattaswami Sutra. Really beautiful, excellently.
Just
Excellent,
like
sir.
abstract.
Exactly, sir. Super. Really, really enjoyed your knowledge of the Sutra Matam. Really, really beautiful.
These three sutra matam, these three components, they can be also presented in the YouTube as one cassette.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
That will give the introduction to the entire philosophy in brief.
Sir. Yes, sir. That we will do, sir.
Then all the other things can be explanations, deep
In our
explanations, elaborate explanations.
yes, sir. We in website first page we will keep the essence of this
This
Swami.
these three sutras. If these three sutras can be put in one cassette, it is best, because in one cassette you know everything,
Yes, sir.
or at least three subsequent cassettes, part 1, part 2, part 3.
Okay, sir.
Because
Definitely.
Triputi, slight clarity will be more if you put three cassettes.
Okay, sir. We will try to do and we will show it to you also.
Yes, yes.
Once you and definitely we will put in the first in the web page, first page, so that
Yes.
anybody can visit, they can understand immediately what is the
First an
constitution
abstract, brief,
abstract.
nutshell, the whole philosophy.
It's like a prefix of entire philosophy of your thought.
Yes. Abstract of the entire philosophy.
Abstract philosophy of Datta Swami.
Ah.
Definitely we
Just
will
like
do some.
just like Shankara's philosophy, he told in Brahma Satyam Jagan Mithya Jivo Brahmaiva Naparaha.
Yes, sir.
He also told in three steps. Brahma Satyam, one, Jagan Mithya, two, Jivo Brahmaiva Naparaha, three.
You are
In
always three.
three steps he explained.
Yes, sir. You are always three. That's why Datta is three. Brahma Vishnu Shiva. He explained in three words.
But this is, see, the three, if I appear with one head, it is okay. You all will enjoy my friendship and discussion. If the three heads appear, you know, mother-in-law of Lavanya, mother-in-law of
Yes,
Lavanya,
yes, sir. Yes, correct, sir.
she saw three heads split, and she was not speaking anything for 4 days, 3, 4 days.
He was in a short story that time.
And final and fourth day, her son Jaisimha,
Yes.
when he asked, then she told this.
No, lot of excitement after seeing three heads of yours.
Three heads, and Jaisimha was continuously asking her, what about other details like saffron cloth, cow, 4 dogs, 6 hands. She told, first I saw three heads, then I ran. I, I didn't notice other things.
Yes, sir. You came
The
in a level.
entire Dattatreya Darshana with all three heads, 6 hands, all the eyes and cow, dogs, everything. It was given to that Vidyadhara Sharma.
Vijay Bhaskar Sharma.
Vijay Bhaskar Sharma, that Vishwanji's brother,
Guntur.
Guntur.
Correct. Yes, sir.
That, he got the entire vision of God Datta. And he observed also all the details. Because he was running towards me
Yeah.
from the back side of the house. And I was sitting in the front side of the house on a stone.
Yes.
So there was some time to observe me fully.
Yes, sir.
So he had all the details of Dattatreya, that three heads, Shankha, Chakra, Damaruka, Trishula, Kundi, Akshamala, and 4 dogs, cow behind, saffron cloth. Huh?
Everything, all.
Everything,
He got.
all those details were seen by him.
You showed complete vision to him.
Complete vision was, I was aware of that vision.
Yes, sir.
So he was he was carrying a big basket with flowers. You know, he wanted to worship the photos in his house.
Yes.
Number of photos are there in his house. All those photos he will put these flowers. He plucked all the flowers in that big basket, and when he saw me, then all this full vision was given. Then he ran from there and poured all the flowers on me and fell on my feet. Previously, he neglected me like a beggar, you know. See, that Vishwanji has sent me to his brother's house, telling his devotee to tell his brother that bhiksha should be given to me.
Yes.
That fellow has not understood completely that word bhiksha.
Yes.
Bhiksha means something which is given to the beggar, you know.
It's right. Correct.
In Telugu, the bhiksha is told as bitsam.
Yeah. Same similar word.
Bhiksha is given to sannyasis, etc. Bitsam is given to beggar. So that bhiksha he understood as bitsam. And he told to that Sharmaji, your brother Vishwanji has sent him, you please give bitsam. But due to ignorance, he told. Then he asked me to sit on a big stone, just standing by the side of the compound wall of the front gate. I was sitting there. My clothes were very dirty. The shirt was also torn. So he misunderstood me as a beggar.
That time.
Yeah, he asked me, you sit down that stone. When the food is prepared, I will call you. He thought that he will give me food. After all, they eat the food, he will give me the remains to me. But when this vision was given, he ran and poured all the flowers on me. And he has spread new cloths into his house and made me to walk on those cloths. And first he gave me food, and then all the family ate the remains. The scene was reversed.
Correct.
That is the difference between bhiksha and bitsam.
Excellent.
Yes. Ajay garu, when we
Srinivas.
went to Ajay garu, when we went to Swami, when we went to him, myself and Ajay garu, to give Datta Bhagavad Gita, then he himself taking that book and saying that Lord Datta is there. Lord Datta only written these books.
Yes.
And he given lot of his books. And he written so many books. In Dattatreya, Datta Bhagavatam, Datta, so many books he given to us also. And he taken Dattavedam and Datta and told that only Datta himself he written these books.
And
Yes.
God Datta gave full vision to Shivananda
Yes, sir.
Maharaj also
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Vijayawada.
in Vijayawada. Shivananda Maharaj,
Yes, sir.
full vision was given to him. That also I am aware.
Yes, sir. We are also there. Myself and Ajay are also there. Along with
Correct.
you.
As soon
He
as
started weeping while doing the bhajan.
Yes,
After
sir.
seeing the vision, he started weeping. Tears are coming out of his eyes.
His eyes also, sir. He saw, his eyes became so big and he's
And he automatically stood up on the knees and doing the bhajan in full swing after seeing you, after having the darshan.
yes, he fell on my feet
Yes, sir.
and put a big flower garland around my neck, saying Jai Guru Datta, like that.
Yes.
He was.
that time he Dattatreya, Trimurti Rupa, that's what the bhajan he is singing all the time.
Yes,
He's singing at that time. Correct.
all of you took me there. All of you took me there to see what I am really. Shivan Maharaj will prove me what I am. He will prove that I am a dirty fellow. I was also fearing to see him. You know, I was acting.
My God,
For
ఎక్కడో లేడు ఇక్కడే ఉన్నాడు. Like that, he started telling Swami.
for several days, I was fearing. I was acting fearing. There also, he
But-
gave full vision.
Yes. He enjoyed a lot on that. He told everybody that whomever they are nearby, oh Lord Datta is here only. You go and catch his feet.
Ah.
And he told everybody, to all his devotees, say that Lord Datta is here only, here only. He showed your even feet also. Ask them
He has miraculous powers, you know. You
Yes,
see,
sir.
myself and yourself, we were hiding behind the Shirdi Sai Baba statue, I think. Huh?
Yes, sir. Statue.
About 1
Yes, you
lakh
were
people were there.
hiding also.
1 lakh people crowd was there.
Yes, sir. So
And
many
we
people.
were hiding behind the statue. He was going on the road, stopped at the temple, entered the temple, came back to the backside of the statue.
And we are sitting also. We are not even standing. So much
We
of
were
people.
sitting.
We
Then
can't
he
even.
One temple.
and went.
And he
How
came
he
back.
could how he could know that I am hiding behind the statue? Huh?
So you tested him actually.
It is miraculous power only, is it not?
Yes, sir.
He
He
has
went
miraculous powers.
just 3 steps. He went and came back again,
Yes,
and
yes.
came. He did complete Sastang Namaskaram Pranam to you, and then he went on the stage one on that day.
Yes. So God Datta's miracles very enjoyable, you know.
Definitely, sir. We are enjoyed a lot because you showed me a lot
Very
of
much enjoyable.
several miracles you showed to several people. So many miracles you showed.
He has a lot of Leela Vinoda. It is called as a Leela Vinoda. That is entertainment through miracles. See, why he created the world? He created the world for entertainment only.
Swami,
Hello?
sometimes what happens in a miracles, some miracles gives some excitement, or might be sometimes so
Yes,
much of
yes.
anxiety that
Yes,
develops
yes.
in the mind.
Yes.
Even I personally experienced that when you showed me that
Yes,
Atmalinga to
yes.
me.
You were
I was
hospitalized
so,
actually.
that
That
time I
Atmalinga
was so
Darshanam.
excited. I was shocked also in that while seeing that Atmalinga. But after nearly 2 weeks, I was not come to normal. Sir.
Your mother took me in the auto to the hospital,
Yes,
and
yes.
your mother asked me that I shall cure you.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Then I told, on one condition I will cure. That is, you give money to me, to my service. Then she
Correct,
told,
sir.
I will give. She promised. And immediately when we came to hospital, you were sitting on the bed and laughing and playing.
Immediately we came out something.
But your
Nothing
father
is
was angry with your mother.
Yes.
How can you alone have that right to give money to Swami? Huh?
Correct, sir.
Without asking my permission, what right you have?
Why
Give me.
you given out without my permission? Without my
Without my
direct
permission. He was fighting with your mother.
Correct, sir. But so much of excitement when miracles, but thoroughly, if you see, the knowledge is very, very beautiful, and that we can enjoy every moment. Knowledge gives lots of happiness. Swami. Even I saw both knowledge as well as the miracles both. Most of the times, whenever I
See,
experience the miracles, I
because
was so excited.
you touched that Atmalingam,
Swami.
because you touched that Atmalingam on that Shivaratri,
Yes, sir.
that is why from 1 hour before I was scolding you to go and sleep. Do you remember?
Yes, sir. Yes, you asked
From
me
1 hour
several
I
times.
scolded you, please go to sleep. Please leave me and go to sleep. I was scolding you, but you
scolded
did
me
not
also.
leave.
Yes, sir.
And you have touched that Atmalinga also.
Yes, I touched that.
Because of that touching that Atmalinga, all your worldly bonds were cut. And because all your worldly bonds were cut, you have not married, you have left a job, and you have completely dedicated to God's service.
That is
And
blessings of your.
because of that, your father and mother were unhappy.
Excellent.
I don't know. But I
So,
don't know. Sir.
miracle, is it enjoyable or is it weepable?
No, miracle knowledge should be enjoyable always. Sir.
You have enjoyed, I have enjoyed, but your father and mother wept.
I don't know what. I don't know what they are, but really I enjoyed thoroughly. And I not only that, I enjoyed even your entire knowledge, Swami. Every moment of your knowledge, every
Yes.
discourse of your knowledge is really extremely joyful, Swami. It's really enjoyed like anything.
These
The knowledge,
miracles are only just chocolates
yes, Swami.
given to LKG kid to go to school.
Yes, Swami.
Once the school is completed and college, university he enters, chocolates are not required.
Yes, Swami. It is not
Because
correct, Swami.
he gets the pleasure of the education, he gets the pleasure of knowledge.
Correct, Swami.
So only in the beginning, just to give some encouragement, these gimmicks, these plays were done.
Really, one incident I will tell you regarding the even the knowledge really gives lot of.
Yes,
When you
knowledge
came
is
to the college,
in that Mahima
we asked
Yamuna.
one
I specially asked to write about that miracle due to knowledge, that person who Ashtavakra Samhita.
yes, Swami, correct. Yes,
He was ill for past 6 months,
yes, Swami.
and with the explanation given by me, he got full health.
And that
No
Chandrasekhar,
miraculous power was used in his case.
correct, Swami.
Simply the analysis of that verse.
Yes, sir.
Simply the simple example I gave. You
Yes,
know,
sir.
he came across a shloka that mother in this birth, giving food, etc., and grown, the body was grown up in her hands. She develops some attachment to that body of the son, and because of that attachment, in the next birth, she will become wife.
Really, you explained that
That is the
beautifully.
meaning of that test. And this fellow thought, this scholar thought, if I read this shloka and explain, people will throw stones and chappals on me.
Correct,
Is it not?
correct. Yes, sir.
Then
Yes.
he asked several scholars also to give, how should I explain this shloka? They told, you skip off that shloka and preach other shlokas.
But Swami gives every answer. No?
Since then, he left sleep, he left food, he became very much weak and illness.
Yes, Swami. Correct.
Some devotees took me to his house, and his family people brought some tiffin and coffee.
Yeah.
And but it was not given to him. I
Yes, sir.
asked, you are the house owner, without you eating, how can I take the tiffin? Then his wife told, from 6 months he is not eating anything,
Yes.
because he has not understood that shloka. Swami Datta became very happy. You know, there is a person who left food and sleep because he has not understood a shloka. Very rare, you know.
Yes, Swami. We can't find out such.
Very rare.
Kashid Mametu Tattada, we can
Huh.
say.
A very rare person.
Yes. And then the explanation which was given, it is
Only-
fantastic. It is mind-blowing explanation.
Only Swami can give
I
something.
simply gave a simile that there is a cinema theater near your house. One old picture came in which Akinen Nageshwar Rao is the husband and Anjali Devi is the wife.
Yes.
After that old picture, a new picture came in which Akinen Nageshwar Rao is the son and Anjali is the mother. You know, as the time proceeds, hero becomes hero remains as hero,
Yes, Swami.
but the heroines become mothers
Yeah.
because they lose youth quickly
Yes.
due to delivery of the child. Prasutantam hi yavvanam in strinam. Due to delivery, they lose youth. This male fellow, he doesn't deliver. That is why he remains young. Huh?
Correct, Swami.
So, I told this simple example, and I told that in the old cinema, the Nageshwara was husband, Anjali was wife. And in the new cinema, Nageshwara is the son, Anjali is the mother. Is it
Correct.
not the meaning of that sloka?
Exactly.
Exact same simile.
Same.
They were neither mother and son in the old cinema, neither husband and wife in the old cinema, nor mother and son in the new cinema. They are only co-actors.
Yes.
This relationship between co-actors is simply false because it does not exist in all the three times. Only in the shooting time the bond existed. Before the shooting it did not exist. After the shooting the bond did not exist. And Shankara tells, Yadanityam tat krutakam hi loke. That which does not exist in all the three times is totally false. Yadanityam tad asatyam. So, before shooting, in past, the bond did not exist. After shooting, the bond did not exist. During the shooting also, they were not. That bond was not really existing. They were only acting in that bond.
Exactly.
So
Super,
it is
Swami.
totally lie. It is totally false. But I gave another point also. Some Dasar Narayana was the producer and the director of both the cinemas.
Yes.
And he is the employer, and these two actors are employees. That
Correct.
employer and employee relationship remained same in both the cinemas, you know.
Yes. Swami.
Before
Yes.
shooting, after shooting, during shooting, in all the cinemas. Huh?
Exactly. Yes, Swami.
So that producer and director is God, and you are the servant, that is employee. You are serving him and getting remuneration. So
Yes,
that
Swami.
bond is eternal.
Excellent, Swami.
So think about that eternal bond and don't think about these false bonds.
Unreal false.
Unreal, totally unreal bonds. This is the meaning
Really
of us. And I told that that shloka is the central diamond of the all shlokas.
good.
And he became so happy. That mind-blowing explanation, you know.
Excellent, Swami.
That was explanation, it blocks the mind.
Definitely, Swami.
Simple example, how it revealed the whole truth.
Very, very simple example.
Before hearing its explanation, you are thinking it as worst verse.
Yes.
And after hearing the explanation, you realize that is the best verse.
Yes.
That is how God Datta appears. He appears as a worst person and proves himself as the best person.
Really wonderful, Swami. Only Swami can only give such kind of a excellent knowledge and shocking knowledge also. By way of miracles, by way of knowledge, and by of devotion. You can give the shocks to the entire the souls. So even you see the Bhakti Ganga, Jnana Saraswati or Mahime Muna, all three are really wonderful. All mind blowing,
Yes.
really shocking. The way how you performed
Really.
miracles also.
Yes.
Even the way how you perform miracles also. Even the miracle while you perform miracle also it have knowledge only. And even the Bhakti Ganga, whatever devotional songs you are composed, you written, all in that entire Bhakti Ganga, all verses are have complete knowledge.
Yes.
It's not mere only just the praising of the God. It also have the knowledge. The essence
Yes.
of the knowledge also is kept in every
See,
all the songs.
the author is God Datta, who who has only one portfolio with him, that is knowledge.
Yes.
You know, chief minister retains one portfolio with him, you know.
Yes, sir. Correct.
So he retained one portfolio, that is the portfolio of spiritual knowledge. He
Exactly.
is the chief minister, he is the prime minister.
Yes.
All other portfolios were distributed to other gods, other
Yes.
angels.
Yes.
He retains only one portfolio, that is spiritual knowledge. That is why he is called as Guru Datta.
Correct, sir.
Guru Datta. And that is why in Veda it is also told Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma.
Yes, sir.
Prajnanam Brahma.
Yes. Yes.
In Gita it is told Jnani Tvatmaiva Me Matam.
Yes, sir.
I myself descend to preach the spiritual knowledge.
Yes.
So
The knowledge
that
has
has lot of importance to knowledge, because knowledge gives the direction. See, once you got the direction and the entire plan, implementation is very easy.
Yes.
In that direction should be correct.
Yes.
If there is anything wrong in the direction, the practice, you will go in wrong path.
Yes, sir.
You will not reach the goal.
Yes. Yes. Correct,
So
sir.
the path, direction is important. That is why in every institution, the director's post is the highest,
Yes. Yes. Correct, sir.
All the employees are below him. The topmost employee is called as director,
Yes.
who gives the right direction to all the employees.
Correct, sir.
That direction is given by knowledge.
Correct, sir.
So, okay,
Even
any questions or any? I think since I entered, all your program is getting spoiled.
no, no, it's a wonderful song. In fact, you are giving right guidance. Just now you said, huh?
Our
Your right
program
guidance
is to listen to you, sir.
so that we
I,
require
I,
no,
I entered your program to listen you.
no, sir. we want
But
to listen
reverse
you.
is happening.
You are the right person. You are the right director. You are the goal. You are path. You
No,
are
no.
the
What I was thinking, you are doing satsanga. Let me listen what you are talking, and here and there interfere and give my suggestions. That is what was my original aim.
but you are there. You are the person. You just now said the director is the highest, and only Lord Datta he maintains his own portfolio. Prajnanam Brahma or
That's
Satyam
all
Jnanam.
right. That's all right.
So
What I
you are
thought was, when you are discussing, I will interfere here and there. Suppose you are sleeping, I can interfere and correct you. That is what I thought.
no, so we will never get this kind of opportunity, Swami. If you are there, that you so many people we may discuss even some other time or some other day. But your
I
presence is
I think that Vena Datta, what he asked became correct. Man proposes, God disposes. I entered your satsanga to listen you, but God
But
disposes.
no,
You are
like,
listening me.
that is what, Swami, in all your miracles, you have appeared as if it is a normal thing, but it has ultimately resulted in Lord Datta. In all the miracles you have explained, like Vishwamji's brother, what has happened, like that and all. Same way, this satsang also, it has happened, Swami.
Everything become reverse.
even say Swami, I got one experience in Pitapuram, and
Yes.
I given that 3 books to one person, no, that
Yes, yes,
Avaduta.
yes. Very tall person.
He very tall. He might be around 10 feet also. I given the 3 books. That's about
Some
Gita, Datta Vedanta.
7.5 feet.
Oh, that is that very tall.
Mm.
And he when he saw me, I'm waiting for you. You give me that books.
Yes.
Three around Dattva Gita and Dattva Upanishads.
Mm.
I'm waiting for that. I given those 3 books, and he told me taking that books. He told me that I am waiting for this knowledge from very long time.
Nice.
He used that word specifically. I am waiting for this knowledge from very long time.
But you did a lot of Guru Droha. When the 3 books costed 190 rupees, you told 160 rupees.
But you told me once, you instructed me that don't
Ah,
don't
if I
Avadhutas or
keep if I keep you as my agent, my business will be lost.
correct.
In seeing the excitement, he lost the mathematics, Swami.
Ah, but he paid you 200 rupees, you know.
He
Exact
paid
price he has paid.
90 rupees
Ah,
to
10,
only.
10
It is
rupees
one.
more.
Yes, yes. Only he
200
asked me.
rupees he paid.
He priced that knowledge and he told me that this knowledge is spread all over and
Yes.
I am waiting for this knowledge for so long. That's what he several times he mentioned.
And
And
when Sunny came to Vijayawada, he did not tell me what all happened in Pithapuram. I started scolding him. You fellow, you are
Mathematics.
you have studied MBA, you know marketing, and you tell 190 rupees as 160 rupees.
Like that.
how it should be. You scold.
I started scolding him.
I told him also, Swami, but you are given extra money. Then he said, you keep it with you. That's what he told.
Keep it with you. Yes, that is due to appreciation. The 10 rupees is to appreciate the knowledge.
Yeah, that's what you keep it with you. I said,
Yes.
I misunderstood that he is given wrongly, but
Yes.
he is given rightly. I am wrong. I am wrongly calculated the amount.
Yes.
Then when I came to Vijayawada and you started scolding me, you funny, you don't know how to calculate. Even the
Yes.
small additions also you don't
Small
know.
edition also you don't know. You are MBA, you say.
How you became MBA, how you did MBA. That's what you started. I didn't understand why you are scolding. Then later on, after giving back to that person, he
See,
said,
that scolding was done by Swami, by God Datta.
okay, no problem. I mean, scolding also it's a blessing.
If had I done that scolding, you would have slapped me, you fellow. I went to sell your books. Small mistake happened. You scold me like this.
Really,
Since God Datta scolded you, you kept silent.
no. After taking and giving that money, immediately in front of me, he also vanished. He
Yes, yes.
disappeared in front of me.
But he gave his address to you also.
Yes, Swami. Yes, he gave an address. He asked me to come to that forest and
Girinar. Girinar.
Girinar. Swami. Yes.
Mm.
You come and I'll give a darshan to you also. He told.
Yes.
Last year we have gone. When we have gone to Funny, we have seen the
Yes.
photograph also there.
Yes.
The same person when I got a darshan and same person I can able to see on the photo in
He
Girinar.
told
On
you
the
that
wall
tigers
poster.
will be there, lions will be there.
Yes, Swami, yes. He told
Ah,
me you come to Girinar, I will give a darshan for you. But Girinar have two Datta temples. One is in the town, and
ah,
another one is in the
the hill.
it is a bit of the hill and also surrounded by all the tigers and lions.
Yes.
And
And
you
he says that you should come there.
should come, but tigers
I
and lions won't do anything for you
I
because
know how much courageous you are.
I am not at all courageous. So I'm not gone there, but I went to the foothill of that, but I couldn't go on and see that place. And
Yes, yes.
even
Last
then,
year when we have gone,
Ah,
we have seen his photograph also there, Swami.
yes, yes.
he want, one person came on his own and yeah, he wants to took us. He asked me also, I will take you if you come. That
Ah,
day he told me where
नवंबर में आ जाइए ऐसा बोला.
he asked me told come in the month of November. I will
mm,
take you there.
mm.
Like that he told.
Uh, that is Lord. He told me directly, Lord Datta will be there. Datta is there only directly.
Yes. But the tigers will be surrounding him.
Surrounding you,
Many.
it won't harm you. You just come.
Yes.
But I don't have courage. I'm not gone.
Yes.
But already I saw you because I am with you. And no problem. Because already no need to go.
See, one fellow was pressing Akkalkot Maharaj to give money. Eh?
Yes.
And Akkalkot Maharaj took him to the snake abode. Several snakes came out of that abode.
How
Correct,
many
sir.
you want you
Two snakes he took and put in the basket of that devotee and
Correct,
asked
sir.
him to go to his house. And that fellow was shivering, weeping like anything. You know, two snakes are in my bag, which is hanging on my back.
Yes. Yes.
So when he went and opened and took the two snakes out, those two were two golden rods. Is it not?
Yes, correct, sir.
Akkalkot Maharaj.
Yes. But when you given darshan of that, and he told this knowledge is excellent, and Swami Datta only is giving this knowledge. He is in front of that Sripa Shivallabha Mahasamsthan only, sir.
Yes,
That
yes,
Dattatreya temple itself only I got the darshan.
yes, yes,
You given that darshan to me.
yes, yes.
You showed several miracles, sir. And not only that, I enjoyed thoroughly my knowledge.
I did not show. God Datta showed through me. I am just a medium.
Okay,
I am
I don't
just
know
a
whether you are
mic.
medium because
He is
you
the
are.
speaker.
You may say that, but for all of us, you are Datta only.
Yes, you remain in that concept. I will remain in this concept. This is safe for me. That is safe for you.
Whatever you may say, you are Datta for me. That's it.
I shall not enter into Advaita from Dvaita. You shall not enter from Dvaita. You shall not leave Advaita and enter Dvaita.
Whatever
We
you are,
both are reverse. Reverse.
that's why I said you are showing all the miracles.
You shall remain in Advaita and I shall remain in Dvaita. Then both of us will be uplifted.
I don't know whether you came down to uplift all of us. What is in Avatara means you are come down from top from the Parabrahmavastha to the
Avatara means he who came down. It doesn't mean to lift others. Ava means down. Tara means descending.
descending.
Avatara means only he is descending from upper plane to the lower plane.
Yes, sir, correct.
That
only for
word
this
does
purpose
not
only,
mean
no, sir.
that word does not mean to lift the people from lower plane to higher plane. That
But
word
you told
Avatara
that your
doesn't
train
carry
will
that
be
meaning.
from Swami.
What
Swami, you told that your train will be from Patala to Brahmaloka.
any person can even from
Yes,
Pata.
because below seven worlds start with Patala.
Yes.
Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Talatala, Mahatala, Rasatala, Patala.
Correct.
And upper seven worlds, Bhulok, Bhuvarlok, Suvarlok, Maharlok, Janalok, Tapolok, Brahmaloka.
Brahmaloka.
So first one is Patala and the last one is the Brahmaloka.
Correct, Swami. That's so you can descend up to even the Patala, your knowledge, even even the Patala people also they'll read, they can also come no, to Swami directly. But one thing is sure that really this knowledge is nowhere, and first time Swami only gives entire universe. That is why you told that from Patala to the Brahmaloka. So much of clarity is there.
ఇంత
So many
విపులముగా చెప్పలేదు ఏ అవతారమున ఓరన్నా లైక్ దట్ సాంగ్ ఆల్సో హ్యాస్ రిటెన్ స్వామీజీ హ్యాస్ రిటెన్ వన్ సాంగ్ ఇంత విపులముగా చెప్పలేదు
Ramnath asked a beautiful question.
correct.
Ramnath,
Yes.
why the previous Dattavataras have not given this knowledge? Don't they know? Do you only know? Very, very hard question, very troublesome question, you know.
Yes, correct.
Immediately Datta replied, mind-blocking reply. He told, no, previous Dattavataras know all this knowledge. Only the receivers present in those times are not fit to receive this knowledge. Because lack of scientific knowledge. Today, scientific knowledge has grown very much.
Correct,
People
Swami.
can understand very well. Their mind was very much broadened. That is why Datta is giving that knowledge now. Since the receiver is fit to receive it, he is giving the knowledge.
Exactly,
So
Swami.
why Dattavataras have not given previously, why he is giving now only means that is due to the receiver, not due to the avatara.
But you may say like that, but you given this knowledge, you say that it is there in any in the past.
Beautiful answer, is it not?
Yes, exact. Beautiful answer. The
You see,
logic and
when I
intelligence.
heard that question, I was shocked.
Yes.
My body was with full sweat. Amma, I was caught. This person caught me. What to reply? Then from inside he spoke. The speaker spoke. The mic cannot reply anything. The
Swami,
speaker
always, Swami, you always talk like this only, Swami. But you are the Lord only.
See, he
You are.
reversed. He reversed. Ramnath was blaming Datta for not telling
So,
previously and now only telling. And Datta is blaming the devotees. You are responsible for that, not I.
their logic and intelligence was not
Because
on
in
such a highest.
those days, such scientific logic was not there. They were, even if I tell, they will not understand.
Correct, Swami. Yes.
Now they have full scientific knowledge and very deep systematic knowledge. Mind was grown very much, intelligence grew very much. So that is why the time has come, I revealed. Then the time did not come, I did not reveal. So the responsibility for your question is yourself, not myself. Beautiful,
Beautiful answer.
intelligence. Beautiful
Excellent.
answer.
Beautifully given the answer. And it is
Yes.
not blaming Lord. It is only blaming the souls that they are not.
The devotee.
Was not
Devotee.
developed in such.
For that discretion, devotee is responsible, not the Lord,
Correct,
not the preacher.
correct, Swami.
So, what is time now?
Uh, 10:55. Sorry.
Oh, 11.
Around 11 o'clock. 5
If,
minutes to 11.
if there are no questions, we will close. It is near 11.
Okay.
Swamiji, I have one question.
Tell me, who is speaking?
Ganesh Swamiji.
Tell me.
Swamiji, you said that karma phala tyaga is greater than karma sannyasa.
Yes, that is what was told in Gita. Shreyo hi jnanam abhyasat jnanadhyanam vishishyate dhyanat karma phala tyagaha tyagachantiranantaram. That is directly told in Gita. Not I said that.
Okay.
I
Okay.
did not say like that. Only God Krishna told like that.
Okay, Swamiji.
Because
But my
if I told like that, then people may misunderstand. This fellow is very much fond of money, collecting money. That's why he is propagating about karma phala tyaga. Lord Krishna told like that. After karma phala tyaga, there is nothing else to be done. Tyaga chantiranantaram. Shreyo hi jnanam abhyasat. Abhyasa is the zero state, ground state. That is blindly following things without analyzing. My father did like that, let me do. My grandfather did like that, let me do. My father dug this well, even though the water is very saltish and harsh, I will drink this water only. That is called as Abhyasa, Karma Marga of Mandana Mishra. They don't bother even about the meaning of Veda. They only bother about the word, sound. That is Abhyasa. That is zero state. Shreyo hi jnanam abhyasa. Jnanam is better than that abhyasa. Jnanat dhyanam vishishyate. Dhyana, that is bhakti, is better than jnana. That is better means next stage. Dhyanat karma phala tyagaha. Dhyanat, from dhyanat, karma phalatyagaha. Karma phalatyaga is the last stage. After that, there is nothing. Tyagat, karma phalatyagaha, tyagat. Tyagat means karma phalatyagat. Tyagat shantiranantaram. It is a full stop after that. Here the word shanti means full stop. Because whenever Veda Anuvaka is recited, when that Anuvaka ends, in the end we will say Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. We are putting 3 full stops there. So it is told by here, you are asking about karma sannyasa. Now what I am telling is karma sannyasa and karma phalatyaga together form karma yoga, is it not? Sita and Rama are always together. If Rama is mentioned, Sita is automatically mentioned, you know.
Yes.
It is like Ardhanarishwara Tattva, Shiva and Parvati, Ardhanarishwara. So both are always together. Karma sannyasa and karma phalatyaga are always together, blended together. So by telling karma phalatyaga, he is telling about karma yoga. Karma sannyasa automatically comes there. And moreover, karma sannyasa is meant for sannyasis who are unable to do karma phalatyaga, is it not?
Yes.
But karma sannyasa and karma phalatyaga both shall be done by the householders.
Yes.
But majority are householders, not saints, you know.
Sorry, Swami?
Majority of the world are householders, is it not?
Yes, Swami.
So he is speaking to majority. Therefore, by mentioning karma phalatyaga, moreover, if one is mentioned, the other will come. By mentioning, if karma sannyasa is mentioned, people may take only, then only by the word sannyasa, saints may be taken. Since karma phalatyaga can't be done by saints, karma phalatyaga has to be left there, you know. Full karma yoga will not come there. By taking karma phalatyaga, karma sannyasa automatically comes because a householder is expected to do not only karma phalatyaga but also karma sannyasa. See, if you are giving me food, see, I am a sannyasi, suppose you are a householder. Huh? You are doing both karma sannyasa and karma phalatyaga. You know, by doing karma phalatyaga, you purchase the rice, vegetables, dal, etc. Is it not?
Yes.
You brought them, you cooked, and you are serving me. You bringing, cooking, and serving me is karma sannyasa. Both are done, you know. Both are always together.
Yes, Swami.
When you hear the details of Mumbai city from somebody, that is Jnana Yoga. Then you develop lot of inspiration to see Mumbai city, that is Bhakti Yoga. Then you are walking to the railway station, that is Karma Sannyasa Yoga. And you are purchasing the ticket, that is Karma Phalatyaga.
Yes, Swami.
So this Karma Sannyasa and Karma Phalatyaga are always, you are walking to railway station means you are walking with money in your pocket to purchase the ticket to Mumbai city, is it not?
Yes, Swami.
So Karma Sannyasa and Karma Phalatyaga is always associated with Karma Sannyasa. Karma Sannyasa may not be associated with Karma Phalatyaga, as in the case of saints. Is it not?
Yes, Swami.
Are you following me?
Yes, Swami.
The latter is always associated with the former. Former may not be associated with the latter.
Yes, Swami.
So therefore, by mentioning Karma Phalatyaga, Karma Sannyasa, automatically it is told. The person, the householder who does Karma Phalatyaga must do Karma Sannyasa also. So therefore, Karma Sannyasa is told. That is your question, is it not?
No, Swami. My question is, with regards to that, a person having, let's say, a person has over ambition. And
No,
he's
no,
like,
what
okay, fine.
your question, what I understood from what you talked, so you told karma phala tyaga is the highest, but you have not told about karma sannyasa. You told like that. You spoke like that.
Sorry if my question was
No, no,
missing.
you may be sorry or not, but that is your question, which I have taken in the very
uh,
first outset.
yeah,
And
probably I didn't.
that question is also a genuine question, a very interesting question.
Yes, Swamiji,
Because
I got.
karma sannyasa may be told, karma phala tyaga may need not follow.
Hmm.
But once karma phala tyaga is told, karma sannyasa must automatically follow.
Hmm.
Is it not?
Yes, Swami.
So it is a good question. What the first question you have asked is a very good question. Now
Yes,
you ask
Swami.
this, what is your second question, actual question?
My question is, if a person has over ambition, okay, and he's like, let me earn a lot of money, but I would rather than keeping it for myself, I'll give it to Swamiji, to the human incarnation. Hmm? Can that be really considered as karma phala tyaga? Because when he's earning a lot of money, he's also getting fame. So with that selfish thought in his mind, can it be truly called karma phala tyaga?
No, but with the aim to give to God's work, if he is earning, that aim, ultimate aim, ends decide means. His aim is to earn money and enjoy and do all those things, worldly things, then that is a different thing. That doesn't come under our spiritual discussion. If his aim is, because you see, phalanumeya prarambha samskara praktana iva. The ends will decide the means. Means means earning money. Ends means spending the money. The ends will decide the means. With what motive, with what goal, with what aim you are earning the money. To enjoy. That makes means belong to pravrutti. To say for the sake of God's work. Then it leads to nivrutti, is it not?
Yes, Swami.
So that even though he earns with selfishness, fighting with the employer, I must get this, I have done this work, you must give this, even though he is fighting, he is earning for the sake of God's work and not for the worldly enjoyment, you know. So such selfishness is not selfishness at all. The ends decide means. What is your end? Is it worldly enjoyment or is it God's work? You follow, are you clear about my explanation?
Yes, Swamiji, definitely very clear.
Very clear. Then, okay.
Second question, Swami. Nikhil sir and I were talking about.
Is there Dr.
the
Nikhil in the
yes,
Satsanga?
yes,
He is
he
present.
is.
Yes, sir.
He is present?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
So while we are talking, he said that your analysis to identify the human incarnation is supposed to be more nuanced than this. By what this he meant that you need to identify the knowledge, conclude that is the right knowledge, and see the change that is happening within yourself. But I gave an example like, yes, this knowledge is true. And the way I'm recognizing the human incarnation is not just through knowledge, it's also through small miracles. Because in the previous discourse, I didn't ask a question whether how can I ask God Bhakti, but I had that in mind for a very long time. but without me asking,
Mm.
you gave me that answer, and I concluded that it is the miraculous power. It should be God
Yes.
that answered it.
Yes.
But Nikhil sir countered it. No, that is not. You can't conclude it like that, because there are people who can read mind,
Mm.
and yet they are not God.
Mm.
So,
But people who can read the mind, people who read the mind, can it be explained by science? If it is not explained by science, it is a miracle. It is done by God. It is the power of God only. There are only two things: scientific explanation or God's miracle. Only two categories. In between these two, the third category doesn't come. That is what I just in the satsang I gave one answer to when somebody asked how to explain the lifting of hill by Krishna. He told there is no qualitative difference between a macro miracle and a micro miracle because both are inexplicable. Whether it is very small miracle, whether it is a small miracle, very small miracle, or a big miracle, there is only quantitative difference. But qualitative difference is not there because both are inexplicable. See, by doing some effort, can you explain small miracle? If you can explain small miracle, then there is a difference. Quality difference also exists. But when both are inexplicable, both are equally inexplicable, quantitative difference does not matter. That is what I gave the reply. You must have also heard that answer.
Yes, Swami. It's real excellent.
Yeah, that you see, I am unable to explain even the smallest miracle. Satya Sai Baba is just by waving his hand, he has produced vibhuti. Oh, okay. That is a very small miracle, is it not?
yes, Swami.
Compared to lifting the hill. Okay, because very big miracle was done, I cannot explain. This small miracle, this is small miracle, I can neglect. How can you say? This also you cannot explain. Inexplicability is common in both. And that is the main point, whether you can explain or you can't explain.
Excellent.
See, one fellow was talking with me about Satya Sai Baba. He was telling, Satya Sai Baba created laddu. You know laddu, sweet. Then he told, no, it is a law of conservation of matter. One laddu must have appeared in sweet shop and it must have appeared in his hand. He has brought that laddu which is in a sweet shop. Matter can't be created. Law of conservation of matter. He was a physics professor. Then I told, okay, it is a very, he has done stealing like that. Similarly, you do the same stealing and produce a laddu before me. For a physics professor, you know law of conservation of matter. Huh? That is nothing you say. All right, why don't you produce? So the question of inexplicability, that lies with any miracle. All miracles are one and the same from the angle of inexplicability. Quantity is not a point of matter there. So anything, all those, everything is so many times. You see, very small miracles were also done in Mahimayamana. You come across. One day in Pani's house, they brought 2 puppets and gave to me. Sharmaji was sitting there. He thought that a small bit I will give to him. Because he was fascinated for that puppet, appadam, you know. I ate the 2 appadams fully, completely, without giving anything to anybody. Immediately we both went to Ajay's house. In Ajay's house, 2 puppets were given to me. Then I was eating, and one small bit I took from one papad and I
Taken
gave
by
to
small.
Sharmaji, telling him, in Pani's house, you wanted a small part of that papad. Had you not aspired for it, I would have given one full papad now. Since you aspired for only little, I am giving only little. If you are aspiring, that much aspired only will be given. If you are not aspiring, more than that will be given. See, well, you may say this as my mind reading. Huh?
Yes.
This is not mind reading. This is what God Datta that did it.
Miracle.
Everything from ant to elephant, God Datta is only doing. According to the context, it may appear small or it may appear very big. Because the necessity in that time was to lift the mountain to save all those shepherds, those coverts. Huh? Based on the requirement, the miracle is big or small. But for him, both big and small, both are one and the same. And for us also, both are one and the same from the point of inexplicability. Is it not?
Yes, Swami.
So like that, I was asking the name of Dr. Nikhil because 2 days back, Dr. Prasad was talking about Dr. Nikhil to me on phone. Dr. Prasad is there? Yes,
Yes,
Prasad?
Swami. Yes, Swami.
He's in the satsanga?
Yes, Swami. Yes, he's present.
He is present?
Yes, Swami. Yes.
So he was telling me, Dr. Nikhil was telling him that he was doing very less service of God due to so many works, etc. He was doing very less work. That is what Dr. Prasad told me. Then I told him, if Nikhil is doing less work, it reminds me a sentence of Hanuman in Valmiki Ramayana, Sundarakanda. What he told, Mattah pratyavarah kaschin nasti sugriva sannidhau. I am the weakest monkey present with Sugriva. I am the weakest. The monkey who burned the whole Lanka. And it is the weakest. What about other monkeys? What about Sugriva? What about Rama? Just to give a scale of strength of Rama, he maintained that. He told like that. But God Hanuman is very strong. He is the strongest monkey among all those, So like that, see, quantitative difference does not play any significance in the case of miracles. Miracle is a miracle, that's all. Whether it is big or small, both are inexplicable. Yato vacho nivartante aprapya manasa saha yo buddhe paratastu saha na medhaya na bahuna shrutena avijnatam vijanatam vijnatam avijanatam. So many shlokas are there. Mantu vedana kaschana. How the hill is lifted is not known. Anything about it is not known. How the small laddu or vibhuti is produced by Sathya Sai Baba, that is also equally not known. Both are one and the same from the point of inexplicability. So, that is what I feel. I don't know what.
Excellent logic. Excellent logic.
Excellent.
Excellent logic.
Use the word whenever based on necessity, the miracle will perform.
What
That's
Dr. Nikhil says. Dr. Nikhil is there? Yes. He speaks something. Yes, 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 yes. Even even the mind of my wife was blocked once, Once on Dattajayi function, what happened? One dog came, it surrounded me 3 times and sat at my feet. Photo was taken, it was published in that Mahima Yamuna book.
Yes. Yes, Swami.
Then my wife told, how much training your devotees must have given to that dog to make rounds around you and sit like that. She just joke, Then God Datta wanted to give a mind block to her. That miracle was to show my presence in 5 places. You see, in Dadar station, railway station, the income tax department of Mumbai, office staff, they were in the Dadar station. And I got down from the electric train and talked with them. On the same day, same time, I was in Ajay's house doing satsanga. On the same day and same time, I was in one college in Guntur giving MSET class. 3 places.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, Swami, correct.
And same day, same time, I went to my native place, Narsaraopet. I was sitting in the home. My wife gave hot water. I took the water bath. And one neighbor called Nagabhushan Rao, he was discussing with me about income tax problems, those sheet, filing returns, etc. All those he was discussing with me. And I was in the house. Same day, evening, I went to the road bazaar in my native place, and one central warehouse manager, Parthasarathy, his name, he saw me on the road. He picked me up, telling that there is the anniversary function of Krishnaveni College. Let both of us go. Of course, those directors also phoned me that I shall come. I neglected. Then he told he is going in car, so he will also pick me up. Okay, let me go. I went there and he dropped me after 10 o'clock. He dropped me near my house. I ate all those sweets, food, tiffins, etc. given by them. Then next day, that Parthasarathi came to our house. My wife was standing there. He was telling, he knows my wife. He also told my wife. Yesterday I took Swami in my car. He came, I left him at 10 o'clock. It was very late in the night. I'm sorry for that. He was telling to my wife. My wife was shocked. Yesterday, same time, whole night I was in the house. But due to this miracle, I lost one entertainment. She never joked me afterwards with me. That
You
entertainment
lost-
is for last forever. Somebody joking and enjoying, that entertainment is lost.
Yes, yes.
So these miracles have defect as well as benefit also. Both sides. Okay. Shall we close?
Yes, Swami, it is
Already
11:20.
11. Yes, 11:20. Yes, let us close.
So,
Hello.
Hello. Tell
Swami,
me.
today, Ajay,
Small budget. Gurudatta
Ah.
yes,
Sridatta.
Ah.
yes.
Gurudatta Sridatta Prabhudatta Pahimam Vididatta Haridatta Haradatta Rakshamam त्रिमुखानि षट्पाणि कमलानि बिभ्राणा श्रुतिसारमेयै समावृत्त पदपद्मा गुरुदत्त श्रीदत्त प्रभुदत्त पाहि मां विधिदत्त हरिदत्त हरदत्त रक्ष मां वाणी स लक्ष्मी स गौरी स जगदीश षट्शास्त्र दिव्यास्त्र वेदांत शांतिकर गुरुदत्त श्रीदत्त प्रभुदत्त पाहि मां विधिदत्त हरिदत्त हरदत्त रक्ष मां ज्ञान प्रचारार्थमवतीर्ण नररूप वेद प्रमाण प्रदीप प्रवचनार्थ गुरुदत्त श्रीदत्त प्रभुदत्त पाहि मां विधिदत्त हरिदत्त हरदत्त रक्ष मां मंदहासानंद निष्यंद मधुबृंद कंदर्प संदोह सौंदर्य वंदनम गुरुदत्त श्रीदत्त प्रभुदत्त पाहि मां विधिदत्त हरिदत्त हरदत्त रक्ष मां पाहि मां दत्ता रक्ष मां दत्ता
Really, Swamiji
सर्व
excellently given the knowledge and explanation. Really, on behalf of everybody, thanks to you, Swami.
Okay.
And, we will conclude this session.
Yes.
And
सर्व विस्पन्नस्तपान्
दत्तात्रेय समारंभां परब्रह्म समारंभां
श्रीदत्तात्रेय
श्रीदत्तात्रेयमध्यमां श्रीदत्त स्वामी पर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरु परम्परां सर्वविश्वन्मुक्तपाद पद्मायते वामहस्तालोल वेदशास्त्रायते ज्ञानसूर्यायते दत्तरूपायते श्रीवेणुगोपालकृष्णाय वन्दनम्
श्रीवेणुगोपालकृष्णाय
श्रीवेणुगोपालकृष्णाय श्रीवेणुगोपालकृष्णाय वन्दनम् शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
नमस्कार स्वामी
Okay.
नमस्ते
Okay.
नमस्कार स्वामी
Okay.
చాలా బాగా
పాదనమస్కారం స్వామి.
Namaste, Swami.
పాద నమస్కారం స్వామి.
Namaste. Namaste.
పాద నమస్కారం స్వామి.
Namaste. Namaste.
నమస్కారం స్వామి.
Namaste.
స్వామి.
Namaste.
నమస్కారం స్వామి.
Namaste.
పాద నమస్కారం స్వామి.
Namaste.
నమస్తే స్వామి.
Namaste.